Yo, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm gonna be working on the Prerunner F-150. I'm gonna get started in cleaning up some of the frame back here, getting rid of some of the stuff that we don't need anymore, cleaning it up with a wire wheel, and so we can get started, mounting some brackets, plating in, and all that. I have to get rid of the original bump stops to cut all this stuff out. What else? Leaf springs, leaf spring brackets, and all that has to go. So yeah, depending on how far we get today, might start notching the frame for the fuel cell to go in there. Maybe pull out the rear end and start getting rid of the leaf springs and all that. Just have to see how far we get today. So my brother and I, we started cutting out some of these old mounting brackets, and turns out we're not gonna be able to get this off because there's a weld all the way down here at the bottom that I'm not able to get to until we remove these. So I'm gonna have to get the rear end off, leaf springs out, and pull those brackets off, so then we can finish cutting these up and be able to get it out. All right, I just spent the last 30 minutes or so trying to get the traction bars off. I was able to get the top pretty easily, but those bottom ones were fighting me pretty good. They're pretty seized on there. I hit it with the air hammer, impact, everything and nothing. So I got the bottom of them off, got the drive shaft off. So the next step is going to be get the leaf springs off and then just drop the whole axle, just pull it out, and continue cleaning up the frame. And then I'll take care of getting those off later. Whether I have to cut them or whatever I gotta do, it is what it is. I have to, I guess, just undo leaf springs, brake line, and I think that should be, I should go to pull it out, and the vent hose. But I'll set up a time lapse and yeah. Alright, now that it's out, I'm gonna get the leaf springs off. Also, don't mind the music in the background, that's not mine. That's a neighbor, so there's not much I can do about it. Let's get back to work. Alright, after battling with the axle and with the leaf springs for like the last hour, we finally got everything off. The nuts on the U-bolt were pretty much seized in place, so it took forever. And actually a few of them snapped off. Let's see. Where's that? One of the U-bolts completely just snapped. Where's that at? Snapped right off. There's one. There's another one over here. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit. All right, so my brother and I, we finished getting all the brackets on the frame off. Took quite a bit longer than expected because we had to, grind these down, cut the heads off of those, I don't know what they're called, the rivets or whatever, and then punch them out. We're still battling that last one. That's the very last one that we have. And then so I have to finish cutting these two off. And then we're gonna get started wire wheeling the whole back of the frame. And then after that, I'm gonna start welding up some of the 4-link brackets so I can start to see where everything's gonna line up and then get everything welded on there. Or actually I think I'm gonna box off a few sections of the frame. This section is gonna get notched up for more up travel, and then I might plate some of the outside of the frame. So got a lot of work to do on this thing. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, maybe give it a like. If you know others that like Prerunner videos, maybe share. Yeah, I appreciate you watching, and catch you next time.